How you guys doing? Eric here. Today is Friday, July 5th, 2019, and as you can see, I'm doing a bunch of yard work out here. Let me turn this music off. Yeah, you can see I've been cleaning up. There's a big pile of slash right here. I borrowed a truck. I got my second truckload loaded up, and I'm out here. Got all this stuff to cut up, get rid of. And as you can see, I didn't feel like firing up my old Stihl chainsaw because I know the blade is dull as heck, and I just don't want to mess with it. So I was out here cutting some stuff with my Sawzall, and I look back and I see, what did I see? The UPS truck pulled up and brought me just what the doctor ordered. Let's see. As you can see, it has arrived. I just ordered this DEWALT chainsaw, 60 volt, on Monday, and here it is on Friday. I was expecting it to be delivered on the 9th, so it's a nice surprise that I got it here on the 5th. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. As you can see, this is my old chainsaw. It's an old Stihl 12-inch blade. This thing, I think it's like 15, 16 years old. Still runs, still works, no problem, man. I got no problem with Stihl tools. I just didn't want to mess with it because it's got a dull blade. Didn't feel like getting it sharpened or sharpening it, getting a new blade. And I knew I was planning on getting this, so this is what I'm replacing. And I'm still gonna get this thing fixed up, and so I'll have a 12-inch and a 16-inch. But anyways, let's get to opening up the DEWALT. Okay. Let's get to it. Pull out my trusty Swiss Army knife that I found on a job. Now this box seems like it's been opened. Let's see, oh yeah. Little beauty. Oh, look at that. Comes with a chain guard. Very nice. You know, it's kind of, I was looking at all the videos on it. You know, it is kind of a toy plastic looking thing. So let's just set the box down here. I mean, the old Stihl seems much stronger built saw, I would say. Anyways, yeah, so pretty much that's it, man. It comes with, wait a minute, I ordered a battery, and the battery's in here. Another charger. So now battery just fell right out. So yeah, now I got another 60 volt flex battery and a charger. So now I got 3 chargers, since I just got the weed whacker last week, which takes the same battery. That's kind of why I decided to go with the DEWALT, since I already got quite a few other DEWALT tools. Batteries are interchangeable, and I kind of now dedicated to the DEWALT tools. I've kind of made the, how you say, commitment to the DEWALT, because you know, they're still, for what I need. Oh, chain oil. Luckily, I happen to have a whole bottle Stihl chainsaw oil here. I think that's chainsaw oil. Chain lubricant. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some chain oil in it. Let's see, I imagine it goes. Ah, shit. Oopsie, I overfilled it. Anyways, I don't know if the camera was adjusted to the light there. Sometimes, you know, it's hit or miss with this Canon, whether it adjusts the lens to the light or it's supposed to be real good in low light, but sometimes it just doesn't adjust. Anyway, I still got to get a rag and mop that up. All right. There's a couple paper towels here. Soak some of that shit out of there. Dang it. Oh well, I don't think it'll hurt anything. It's just going on the chain where I need it anyways. So we'll go ahead and put the cap back on. They say these things leak oil pretty good. I gave it a head start. Okay, I pretty much got it all cleaned up. Should be okay. Now, I got a fresh charged battery in the house I'll go grab. Alright, pop a battery in there. Full charge. Let's see what you can do. This kind of sucks, it's a right-handed tool. You got to use it with your right hand only, it looks like. You gotta. They got a safety mechanism, a zip tie. I'm like, what the heck? I'm gonna zip tie here. Let that loose. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it should work. Houston, we have a problem. Battery not in. That's one thing I don't like about these DEWALT tools, man. The batteries are a pain in the balls to get in and out. I've never tried this battery before. It could be a bad battery. Hold on. Well, so far, I can't get it to work. I guess I'm gonna have to look at the instructions, see if I'm doing something wrong. You know, I've been sitting here dicking with it for a minute. I think I might have figured it out. That might have been the problem. Yes. Yes. It does work after all. Well, let's go outside and cut a few things and see what she can do. It is kind of a cheap thing though, I gotta admit, man. I don't like the way it's built. It's all a lot of cheapy feeling plastic, man. All right. Gonna be a 4x8 setup here. Give me my first test for this DEWALT saw. It looks like it's leaking oil. That's one thing I heard that these things do, man. I can see that oil's just leaking right out of it. All right, first cut. Man, very nice. Very nice cut. Wow, like cutting a hot knife through butter. It really is quite, really much nicer than my other saw. And quiet, easy to use. Look at that. It's a brand new blade. It's making quick work. Better watch out. I don't want to hit a nail. That would suck if I hit a nail the first time using it. Man, really nice, man. I'm loving this thing so far. You see how much work I just made out of that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna really like this thing. As you can see around my neighbor area in my yard here, we got a lot of stuff to cut. So yeah, first impression of this thing is really nice, man. I'm quiet, easy to use, pretty light, and I think I'm gonna have it. I think after I use it for a little while, I'm gonna do a few more videos on it. And yeah, so far I think it's gonna be a great saw for me. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon. This is a really cool looking saw, man. Another fun toy that I get to use, but as you can see, it's got its work cut out for it. Around this here property,